Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook. So today's recipe is Oreo Milkshake made by me Siddha. It is a very simple recipe, very chocolatey and the taste of Oreo is very good. So let's start with it. Take a mixer jar or a juicer jar, then add some Oreo. Here we are making 2 cups of Oreo milkshake, so add 4 Oreos, crush them and add it. Add 1.5 cups of milk. Here I am using full fat cream milk. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is powder sugar. You can use granulated sugar also. Some vanilla ice cream. Here I am using 3 scoops. Blend the mixture. Our Oreo milkshake is ready. For decorating, add some Oreo chunks in the glass, then pour the milkshake and top it with some face or scum of the milkshake, or if you have whipped cream. Some Oreo chunks and 1 whole Oreo. Our chilled Oreo milkshake is ready. Serve it chilled. So this was the recipe of Oreo milkshake. It was a very simple recipe and very chocolatey, and the taste of Oreo was very good. So if you like the recipe and the video, then click the thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. If you want the ingredients list and the measurement, then see it in the description box down below, and all the links are given in the description bar. Also follow us on our Facebook page and Instagram account named as Siddha Can Cook. Thanks for watching, goodbye and happy cooking.